Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. Alrighty. Let's go up. These are the main elevators. Penn State Conference Center Hotel, State College, Pennsylvania. Got this one. There's no one on here. Go up to 5. And we'll send that to G. Let's get a cab view. I believe these are Kone elevators. I'm gonna send this one down. I'm gonna send this one down. And try and get another one. It's here. Let's watch that one go. Hey. Alrighty. You'll see why I believe these are Kone, even though I said it in my hotel tour. That chime. G. Go back up to 3. There's nothing here. You have 2 control panels. What kind of interlock that is, but just ring the bell. Yeah, that's why I believe these are Kone elevators. That chime. But these were installed in 2003, which is when they had their Series 220 fixtures. But I'm not sure. But yeah, like I said, the chime on these definitely points to Kone. And that's it.